morning. The Mello Design welcomes you to Bella Nursery. With a beautiful plant selection, we're going to be talking about ground cover today, whether it's mulch and bark and gravel, also rocks, gravel, DG, all kinds of good things we're going to talk about, different plants. And this is a highly secretive nursery. And you guys, if you need to find out where it is, you can look it up. I don't know if you can see that clearly. We're going to take an adventure here. We're going to take a walk through the yard shortly, and we're going to be discussing all the different types of plants. Drought tolerant, we're going to have indigenous, we're going to have succulents, we're going to have a variety of things, little plants, big plants. Probably even talk about some irrigation, because we all have irrigation. So these are the things that are important when you're considering your yard and how we can help you remake it into something spectacular on a good budget. If you have a special coming up, we're trying to decide what we're going to call it, but it's a special for you, and it's our indigenous plant drought tolerant special. But it's something that's going to be one-time kind of offer. About 10 of them we're going to be doing. So just watch. We'll give you more information soon. So come on into the nursery, and we'll see what's going on here. Okay, this is our ground cover station. We're going to discuss some different types of bark chips. These three are basically the same types of things. There's a little bit of variety of texture in them, and they will do the same purpose. Once we put down our weed barrier, we come back in and we've selected this type of bark. We come in and we cover it about 2 inches over the whole area. And then we can also come in and we start doing a little bit of a change. We can put an area where we have some of the river pebbles, little river rocks. They get bigger in size. We can just accent certain areas with different types of material that will give it a more interesting, unique look. We can even do some colored wood chips if you like that. Different colors, different textures. So there's a huge variety here. And depending on the budget and how we want to do it, we can really create something pretty special that's unique and blend in a lot of different ones. So we could even do a little sandy area with some stones. You can see right here, for example, just adding a few rocks around. We're creating our own little setting here, and we can blend these guys together and just give it a different feel. Every yard will have a different feel, and we're gonna go ahead and create your own unique, special place with these things. So this is how we like to do it. There's an entry-level one right here, and they're gonna do the same job. They're gonna create a special texture for you. And like I said, we could bring some of these guys in and add a little riverbed in the middle with even some bigger stones, depending on what we want to do. But I'll help you design that. So this is the way we'll come down here together. We can look at some of these things and create a vision, and then within that, we can start coming in later and putting in the plants. We're going to discuss something that is more beautiful than gravel and cactus. So as you can see, the variety we have here of all these different types of plants. They have amazing textures and colors, and they move in the breeze. They're really alive, and you can see there's such a huge color variation even in these different grasses. So they're going to be beautiful as accent, background. These are the bigger ones that may grow up in different sizes, and they'll actually create something beautiful. Even some of these will be attracting. Some of them will have butterflies will come to them, but they create a nice feathery background for your yard. Man, look at how amazing these guys are. Just gently blowing in the breeze. That's just an amazing one. So there's quite a huge variety here, and really it's just a matter of picking the colors and textures that you like. And they're going to be, they're going to grow. They're going to be big sizes, little sizes, and we'll figure out the best ones for you guys. Thank you. Along with the 10-gallon grasses that we're going to be using, we're going to show you some of the other ones that we're going to have 15 1-gallons. And this is one of my favorites, lantana. It comes in a different variety of color. Has a wonderful aroma. The butterflies love it, along with many other types of drought-tolerant plants that we have that do flower and do attract. Some of them even bring in the hummingbirds, depending on the style and the size of the flower. There's a great variety, and really the reality is we can just pick something beautiful that will accent the foreground of the landscape. Okay, we've talked about our 10 5-gallon grasses. There's some amazing pieces over there. We've got our 15 1-gallon flowering drought tolerant plants. Now we're going to have 25 4-inch, and a lot of these are beautiful. This is our little salvia. The butterflies love this. And so you can see across the way here, we've got a huge selection of succulents and other flowering drought tolerant plants. And then for our 500 square feet, you can see we're going to fill it in very nicely with a lot of variety of color, texture, the ground cover. We're going to do some DG possibly, some bark, and we're going to get a colorful, beautiful variety of things that are going to make it look spectacular. So don't forget, this is your killer deal. Give us a call right away. Thank you.